Hey guys, welcome to Dazzling Handmade. This is part 2 of my cat stamp collection. And what I do is just show you the stamp and then show you the outcome. This is all for personal use, so I'm using the cheapest black ink. So sometimes it will not be as strong as it normally would be with a good quality ink. And so this is the first one, kind of primitive. No wow details in it, but it's still cute. Then we have looks like a jar of cats. A jar of cats with a panda sitting on a moon. And this is from one stamp, and I've mentioned this in the previous video why I don't always like sets, because often there are things in there that don't belong together. Like, why is there a panda sitting on a moon next to a jar of cats? Does that make sense? Here we also have cats in a box, but then there are bare faces with it. Why? And then this is what it looks like. And yeah, I mean, I would not look for the eyes in the cats category, but this one, how cute is that? Very cute. Let's see how it came out. Nice. Even these glasses came out very good. Good quality, sharp, good details. Everything is visible. And then these cats. That was laughing. And this one is just the boss, or he just had enough with everyone. He's like, I'm ready to go home, clock out, it's 5 p.m. Goodbye. Yep. Cats, lovely baby cat, sleeping, playing, winking. I don't like the sentiments. I think they're very small and kind of blend in, but the cats came out good. Kind of look like a maneki neko. Okay, this stamp has a lot going on here. We even have a little scratch house. If it fits, it sits. The cat is dreaming of fish. Very cute. Right here we have two separate ones, but these ones are small, so I put them in a double pocket holder. So we have two different stamps on here. One has a thinner outline and the other has a thicker outline. I personally prefer the thinner outline because I think this way there's more room to color and it's more clear, crispy. We have some birds in here, but it's in the cat category. A little bit too thick, the outlines. For me, it's something I would only use for journals. It's like pretty, but not the greatest. This. Oh yeah, look at these cats. These are so cute. I think if I use normal good quality stamp, it will look better, but I think they look great. Very cute. Definitely something I would put on a card. Then we have more cats, and there's heads, and it actually came out really crispy. Very good quality, and we see literally every detail, even down to the smallest one over here. So very good quality, and I really like this bow. You got some faces, everything is sharp, crisp. And then we have this one. I think this is something that has been going around in AliExpress a lot, so I think many people sell this one. And this is adorable. He's so chunky. And we've got more smaller cats. Yeah, these ones have a lot of crowding, just like big black spots. However, this one on the bottom looks very sharp. It almost looks like it was drawn with a pencil because there's this just shading in it, especially in this area. You can see like some of the blacks is a lot darker, so it looks like it was drawn with a pencil. I love it. Okay, one more and then we're halfway done. This is one whole piece and it looks like he's just very, very long. I love it. It's so funny. It looks like there's actual shadows over here. Very good design. Cute kittens. This sentiment is perfect for heat embossing. And it came out very nicely too. Lots of room to color and they are cute. I think these are definitely card material. And we have cats doing different activity. Think about fish, listening to music, yawning. Need more cats. Yes. And the outcome, very good, very crisp, very sharp, good details. Not insane amount of details, but I think it's just perfect. Nice, good stamp. Party cats. And we have some party chains, balloons. You can put a sentiment in the balloon. So I think this looks good. Good quality. It's a nice sentiment. And thin lines usually come out good. You can see there was like a little bit of moving on the whisker. That was me from doing this freehanded to save time, because you already know I have thousands of stamps and I have to do this with every single one. Sporty cats. Good luck. Well done. You're my champion. I believe in you. Good sentiments. And what I like about this is that you can just use whichever you want and on the card and give it to someone who plays that sport. Party cats. And oh, that's very cute. I have to remember that I have this in here. A cat bringing a letter. Came out nicely, but it's really good. Thin lines, good detailing. Japanese cats. Hope you have a blissful day. Good sizing for heat embossing. Very cute. Very sharp. And I know this might look like owls, but they're actually cats. There's a tail. I was afraid there would be a lot of crowding over here, but it actually has good details and there's no bleeding in when the black just mixes and it becomes one big black blob. So good sentiment. Good stamp. It's a good stamp. Few more for this video. Cats. These sentiments are like a full sentence, but it's too small to heat emboss. I'm sorry, did I roll my eyes out loud? In my defense, I was left unsupervised. That's cute. Look, I'm not saying you're old, but if you're milk, I would sniff you first. To sniff it's still good or old. Don't judge me. And another style with this and this is the same, but this one has a Christmas ornament on his head. I think this one could be a little more sharper if I used the regular ink. But this I'm just doing for my own purpose, for my own example, so I don't need it to be used with a good ink. That would be just a waste of a lot of money. This chihuahua needs to lay off the coffee. He's drinking coffee. It says right there, coffee. What the froth. May your coffee be strong and your Monday be short. Amen. Yawns are silent screams for coffee. True, true, facts. A whole stamp of cats. Very, very good. Very good. Look how sharp everything is. Lots of room to color. You can do all cats differently. Very good. And another background. I think I have this in a duplicate, and it's just waiting for you in the giveaway box. Cat with glasses on it. What I like about this is that you can stem this on top of the cat. I in one of my last haul videos, I received something similar. Not this. It was a different animal and it had glasses. However, in those glasses, it was also the interior. The interior was also stampable, so it would actually hide the whole face. Flying cats, surfing cats. I'm not sure if this can be saved with a better ink because it already has so much crowding and it's not the sharpest. So I'm not sure about the bottom one, if that's like a good quality. Oh, look at this. For my for part 1 of this video. How crazy is that? Alright, one is going into the giveaway. So this is this. Very good detailing. I was afraid there would be a lot of crowding and black spots like this, but actually it came out very nicely and good sentiments. And the last one is Crazy Cats. Look at that one, just like, do not wake me, human. With one eye open. He's not having it today. He looks like he just woke up from the best dream of his life. It was full of treats and sunny days. Yeah, so this was my cat collection part 2 video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't seen part 1, make sure you go check it out. There's a lot more cute stuff in there. Thank you so much for watching, and talk to you guys in the next video.